Hello everybody and welcome to DLD Customs. Dylan here, and today just kind of going over some parts and stuff that I picked up off of one of my friends. Used to be my old boss. Now he's scrapping it, and my boss bought it off of him so he could fill it up with scrap, but since he knows that I have an Escape, pretty much the same exact one, he wanted me to come get some parts off it or whatever, buy some parts off it or whatever. So I pretty much, here's what I got for $100. Guess we'll just kind of start in the back here. These are like the roof rack cargo rails or whatever on the top. I think I'm going to put these on because mine are all nasty looking. I'll show you a before and after when I do that. I got 4 door panels. These ones are gray. I know my interior is tan, but I don't know. I think it'd look better because my Escape has some the inside of the panel right here. I'll just go ahead and show you. The inside of the panel right here is missing, so it looks really bad. Took like some evap stuff, I think, or like vacuum line stuff. Let's see, I got 4 speakers. I got a brake light, another brake light, 4 hubcaps. I got a hood. And then I also got an ECU. Let me turn my flashlight on. I got the headlights, the tail lights, the air box, the fuse box, the spare tire. I got both of the mirrors. I got the horns. Oh, the tail lights, I don't know if I said that or not. That's the fuse box. That's the air box. Here's the brain or the ECU or whatever. That right there is worth like $100. So, you know, I got everything else that's worth, you know, add everything up, and it's probably, I'd say it's worth $100, but I'm trying to think, what else did I get? That's the main things that I can think of right off the top of my head. If I think of anything else, I'll show you guys or whatever, but yeah, that's the main stuff I got. So today I'm going to try putting on these door panels, but I got to try to get my door on the Escape open because it's kind of locked shut right now. But if I get that door open, I'm going to put all 4 of these gray panels on and show you guys the before and after on that as well. So stay tuned and see what that looks like. Hopefully it turns out pretty nice looking. Got the Silverado in the barn. Chilling, getting pooped on right now. I got to get it out and get cleaned up and I got some stuff to put on that thing as well. Stay tuned. I got some tail lights, some mirrors, just a couple little things for it, nothing major. But I definitely got some stuff for the Escape to put on here soon, so definitely stay tuned for videos on the Ford Escape if you guys are into that stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and put these on and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so as you guys can see here, this is what the before looks like. This is what I was talking about earlier about the that piece being all messed up, and it looks just awful. And that piece isn't removable, so you have to, I mean, I could probably put like a liner on it, but I don't know. I got these with the part out or whatever, and I just decided I might as well grab them up real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and change these out in a flash, and I'm going to bring it back. I already got the other 3 done, so I'll show you after I get this one done real quick, so stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys, so to take this door panel off, I already have everything done. It's been a few days. I'm out here later on in the date. There's a few Phillips head screws. There was one right here underneath this cover that you have to take out and then take the screw out. There's one right here behind this little cover. You have to pry that off to get to the screw. And then there's one right here on the side. And as far as I know, and there's also one supposed to be down inside of the door. You can kind of see it right there. Yep. And that should be all of the screws to loosen it up a little bit. And then after that, you have to take a some kind of a pry tool. I used it's an interior for doing like stuff like this. Just a plastic pry bar pretty much, and you got to pry. There's little clips back behind here all the way around that you have to pry off, and then once it's loose, you can just pick the panel right off of the door. And just don't forget to unhook your wiring for all your stuff so that you don't break no wires when you're pulling away. And other than that,
pretty simple job to do that. So like I said, this isn't really a tutorial video, but that is kind of how you do it, like a rough estimate. If you want to look into that a little farther, if you need more instructions, there's probably plenty of videos out on the internet for that. So alrighty guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you what the insides look like now that I put the new door skins in. They're definitely still dirty. They need cleaned, but I think they look pretty decent. I mean, I know the gray doesn't match as well as, you know, the tan did or whatever, but I don't care. I think it looks better now that it's got this little piece right here in the center. Thank you guys for watching this video. This ain't really a tutorial or nothing, just kind of me messing around the house and the garage or whatever. So thank you guys did enjoy. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.